then forcefully pull it upwards. Its leather is elastic. We need to pull it upwards with force, so it is not easy to put on. This way the stitching will be snug, just like this. Sigh, stretch it tight. After putting it on, the entire leather cover is stretched tight. See that? This way the stitching will be snug. If it is put on very easily, the seams will not be snug. After tightening, we use our hands to press the corners of the left and right buttons. Feeling where it does not fit well and pressing it like this, just pressing, then repeatedly use our hands to turn and rotate. With a technique like mine, repeatedly compare. Repeatedly check this place and that place. Hold it with your hand and rotate it. Adjust the position. This step is very crucial. Pinch the corner with your hand. Make sure it is correct. Pinch the corner with your hand. Before sewing, this place is neither too fleshy nor too thin. After sewing, it is tight. This shows the point is positioned correctly, including the 3 o'clock direction. Including this place. Very important. The position must be aligned correctly. This car is special because it has 2 handles. Both top and bottom are this kind of flat surface. There is no such tab below. We only focus on the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock directions. Only these 2 points are needed. Just use your hand to pinch the corner here, including this spot. Also this place. You must adjust it to the most suitable position. Then proceed to the next step. After we align the position properly, sticking double-sided tape is also very crucial. How to stick the double-sided tape? Let me show you. Actually, it is just at this spot, including this spot, and also stick a bit on the back. This car only needs tape on the left and right, and also on the back. What is the purpose of applying double-sided tape? That is to say, after we stuff it well, this area, including its back, is very snug. The top and bottom of this part of the car do not need tape. After the position is aligned, now start tucking the edges. Pay attention to how the edge is stuffed. It is by folding the leather over. No matter what car, no matter what material, we must pay attention to the edge stuffing. Never use this edge stuffing tool to press the leather face directly. It is easy to puncture the leather. No, even if it does not break, it will be scratched. We fold the leather over. In this way, we stuff the excess leather on the back side inward. Take a look at how the edges are stuffed. Everyone pay attention. Come and see how we stuff the edges. Everyone take a look. Stuff the back of the leather. This area is very wide. We start stuffing from the middle towards both sides. Press down. 2 hands work together. Fits very well. Forcefully fit the back of the leather. Look, if you fit the back of the leather, the front cannot be scratched. It won't get scratched. Fits very well. This car. Both sides. Very perfect. Then this place also needs to be. The edges and corners. We change the angle to stuff it like this. Just stuff it like this and it's okay. Look at the effect after stuffing this. Isn't it very beautiful? We also need to stuff the back. How to stuff the back? Tilt the head over. Change to another angle. Push it from the back to the front, including this place. It also needs to be pushed into the gap behind this. Look, wrap it to the front. Push it to this place. This is the left side. The right side is the same. We have pushed in all that needs to be pushed in. Let me show you the details. Both left and right sides. We take one side to look at. Look at the effect of inserting it on the front, including this place. Everyone look at the details. Only leave one edge line outside, and then this place must be stuffed well, including the back. Let's turn to the back. Turn to the back. It is very clear. Everyone take a look. Stuff everything in well. The back also needs to be stuffed well. See that? Very snug. Including this area also needs to be stuffed well. Then turn to the front again. Let's look at this detail. The back here is stuffed towards the front. Stuffed into this gap. Very clear. We will also stuff this part in a moment. The left and right sides are the same. We are now starting to stitch. How do we sew the thread? Let me explain the stitching to you. This machine is also quite special. Only 2 handles. Easier to sew. Just sew the top and bottom sections. We sew from the middle to both sides. Start stitching from the middle to both sides. We leave 4 times the length of thread for the section we sew. For example, we start sewing. Sew this section first. We leave 4 times this section. Measure 4 times. Then it is enough to sew this section. Then sew from the middle to both sides. We will start stitching now. We use the piece of thread just cut to thread the needle. We fix it in the very middle. String it. Tie it. Make a knot. Divide into 2 threads. Tie it. Make a knot. In this way it is divided into 2 threads. We use these 2 threads to sew from the middle to both sides. This way the sewing is more even. Let's first thread one of the threads through the needle. Be careful when threading the needle. After threading it through, do not tie a knot on the needle. Just thread it straight through. Then hold it with your hand and sew. Let's see how we start the first stitch. Just sew along the edges on both sides. No gaps between stitches, so stitch by stitch closely. This way the stitches are denser. One hand threads the needle and thread. One hand pulls the thread. After finishing this segment just now, we use the half thread left just now to continue sewing from the middle to the right. Sew in the same way like this. Just keep passing through the edge stitches on both sides. Let's finally record the ending video. Sewing is actually very simple. Just sew evenly. And sew it well. We will record a closing video to see how to finish it. The ending is to sew to the last stitch, intertwining a few more times at the last stitch. Take a look. Find the last stitch. Find the last stitch. Sew through once. And then sew through once more. We wear half. Wear half. Use this thread to wrap 3 times around the needle. Then pull it. This is equivalent to tying a knot. We use scissors to cut it off. Cut off the thread end. Use the tool for tucking edges. Tuck it into the gap. This way is fine. It won't open.